Okay, hey everybody. So in this video, I am going to go through a brief introduction to the ARTFIN wallet, which is located on the internet at tokenwallet.us. So I'm going to start by, I'm just going to reload tokenwallet.us. Now the first on this definitely says that this site is beta. We got a lot of things we want to do to it because we want to make this wallet not just a wallet, but also a place you can sell tokens. I've already got it so you can transfer tokens, but we basically want to build a token swap site and a gallery on tokenwallet.us. So when you first go into tokenwallet.us, the first thing it's going to do is detect whether or not you have MetaMask and will guide you through the process you need to install MetaMask. This is important for the people who we do tokens for who are not really tech savvy. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on Go to DApp. Now, when I go to the DApp, you're going to see that it loads up a bunch of data. That's because I've already connected via MetaMask. So let me bring up MetaMask right here. So MetaMask is the wallet that is the interface between the blockchain and the application. So the app is eventually going to support a bunch of different wallets. Right now we're supporting MetaMask, but within MetaMask we have accounts. So in this case, if I click up here, you'll see that I have an account that I call account 1 and an account that I call a test holder account. So that's important because whatever account and link you have up here, or in this case, I'm connected to the Binance mainnet. If I was connected to Ethereum, I would get different data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and I'm going to change my account. I'm going to change to my test holder account. So now when I hit reload over here, it's going to reload the tokens that are in that account. So in my test holder account, I have one NFT. So if I want to see that NFT, I would just click on it. And you see that here is the NFT. It shows that it was a token that I called the pass-through test token. Here's the image URI. I took this picture in Punta Gorda, Florida, and here is the image. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch back to my main account because I've got a bunch of tokens there and I can show you how this works. So now I've connected back to my main account. I go back over to here and say reload. Okay, so now I have all the tokens that are in my wallet. And you notice this is my development account, so I've got a ton of tokens. What I'm going to do is go down here and I'm going to go to page 2. Now what you see here is you actually see that I've got mostly ARTFIN tokens, but I actually have a Pancake Bunny token that we transferred, that Joe transferred from his account, his account that had a Pancake Bunny token. He transferred it to me using this application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this token 34. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on it. And what token 34 is, it's a Mustang that I rented back in 2005 that I found a picture of. And so here's the image URI for it. Here's the actual picture of it. So now I want to transfer it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click transfer. I'm going to paste in the address of that other account that I was using, and I'm going to click send token. So it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to transfer this token? This cannot be reversed. So I hit OK. And now what happens is MetaMask comes up and I hit confirm. And now I've transferred this token from my one account to my other account. Now, the one thing about this is, again, transfers on the blockchain don't actually happen real fast. So I'm still waiting for the confirmation to come up that shows that I've transferred it. This will come up in a second. But even then, it may be 15 or 20 minutes before I see it on the site. Okay, so I paused the video and I came back about 5 minutes later. So now what I'm going to do to see that that token has been transferred on the blockchain, I'm going to go up here to MetaMask. I'm going to go to my account and I'm going to switch to the test holder account, which is where I transferred the token to. So now I'm going to hit reload. And now you see that I have two tokens, token number 32 and token number 34. So I click on token number 34. You'll see that there is the Mustang that I received. And now if I switch back to account number 1 and reload, when I go to page 2, you're going to see that account number 34 or token number 34 is no longer there. So that is the beginnings of the site that we're going to be using for transferring and swapping tokens. It's critical to for us to build this because we want to have complete end-to-end solution. We already have the token factory where we can build the tokens. Now we've got something for the end user where the end user is going to be able to keep track of the assets that they have, and then we can go from there and we can build a store and we can do auctions and everything else that we want to do. So that is the start to the token wallet.